Man, what's poppin', everybody? We are back with the second and the last part of this keyless setup for this R6. So on part one of this keyless setup, I put on the new steering damper, the new top triple tree, and I still got the key sitting off to the side there. We're gonna handle that today. So my bike don't get stolen with this, a digital guard dog. Go keyless and everything you ride or drive. Hey, I didn't even know you can get these for motorcycles. I know Harleys, I think the new CBR has one on it. But as for, the old R6, it wasn't getting any love. I don't think the R1 has it either. So I got one today and I'm about to put it on, man. Basically, it's just a key fob. I walk up to my bike, I can start it, stop it without the key. And when I walk away from the bike, it shuts it down and nobody can turn it on or steal it. So I did purchase 2 key fobs, but say you're out riding and you lose the key fob that's on you and you don't have any access to your bike, there is a bypass system with a special code that you can put into it. That way you can start your bike and get home or do whatever you need to do. Of course, I'm not gonna tell you that code, but yeah, man, this is a cool ass setup, man. Let's get it on. And this is everything that you get in the package. You get the manual, of course. I'll read it because I won't mess it up, even though it is plug and play. Usually I don't read them though. You'll also get the actual device itself. Plug and play, you can see. Here's the key fobs. Pretty nice little key fobs too. They feel quality. They don't feel like plastic pieces of junk. So, yeah. That's pretty much everything that comes in the box. Here's another connector. I forgot what that goes to once I read the manual. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that goes in the box. Let's go ahead and get this on. So yeah, on this R6, the key switch runs all the way down the left fairing side of the bike. Pretty sure it's like that for all the models, but don't hold me to that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get all of the side plastics off on the left of the bike so I can remove this key switch and get it started. All right, so we got the side fairings off. Now, you can see the cord runs in this cluster of cords right here. So I'm gonna unzip tie everything and be right back again. Got the ignition harness all undone. You can see the 2 connectors right there. I'm gonna leave that right there for now. I'm gonna go ahead and lift the gas tank up because I'm gonna mount it underneath where the servo motor used to be and run the cord all the way up to the front. So it'll be nice and clean and OEM looking, so I don't have wires sitting everywhere. So on the manual, it does say that there's a thin black wire that you have to connect to the battery for the ground. So just make sure that you save that wire and connect that to the battery. Don't run it with the rest of the cords. I ended up having to take this right side of fairings off because they put the kill switch cord through this side of the bike. I thought it went through the left side of the bike with the key switch, but it didn't. And it was absolutely terrible trying to fit it through that small little hole, but I got it done. So now, like I said, I can go ahead and hook it up and see if it works, and then I'll get everything back on the bike and we should be good to go. All right, moment of truth. Let's follow these instructions real quick and get this baby going. Step 1, put your stop run switch in the stop position. Did that. Wait 30 seconds for the system arm. Did that. Flip the stop run switch to the on position and push the start button. The bike should not start. Nope. Put it back to the stop position. Push the large black button on your dog tag until the LED on the tag lights light up green. Flip the stop run switch back to the run position. Okay. When you do this, the bike will energize. Press the bike start button and it should start up. Now switch the dog tag into automatic mode and perform the final system testing. All right, to get to automatic mode, press and hold the button until the LED goes out and press 2 times quit. All right, it blinked 5 times, so it should be in automatic mode. All right, now it's time to test the automatic mode. right, guys, we are all done with the keyless setup, man. I want to thank you guys so much for watching part 1 and part 2. I put a link down in the descriptions so you can get one for yourself too. They make these for all kinds of different bikes, man. I'm so glad I came across it, man. My build just went together perfectly. So once again, thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Peace.